When installing your new pedals, note that there'll be an L and an R marked on the pedals. Take a pedal, install it into the arm, the right side turning clockwise. Turn it in with your fingers 1 or 2 turns. That makes sure you haven't mangled or cross-threaded the crank. Install the pedal wrench. Now we're going backwards. And it will stop into the crank. Now, think about placing your hands and your wrench for good mechanical advantage. Here, if I switch, I get much better mechanical advantage. I'm going to push clockwise down with the wrench and pull up on the crank to tighten that. A tight crank pedal is a very important thing for your safety. A common torque is 300 inch-pounds. That's about 34 Newton meters. If you're using a hand wrench, holding it about 10 inches from the thread, that is about a 30-pound push on the wrench to get that kind of load. Another option is the crowfoot on a torque wrench. Here, we will get the resonance, the click, telling us that we're properly tight. The process is the same on the left side, threading it counterclockwise 1 or 2 turns by finger. Reposition your wrench as necessary. 30 pounds of effort on a 10-inch wrench.